Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by preparing hardware and software. Connect a full-size internal or USB optical drive that reads Xbox discs, and make sure Windows 10 or 11 is up to date. Next, install the Xbox app from the Microsoft Store and sign in with the same Microsoft/Xbox account you use on your console. This links licenses. Once done, insert the disk so Windows recognizes it and allow any driver prompts to finish. This ensures the PC can authenticate and access the game files. With the disk in place, open the Xbox app and go to My Library or the Games section. The app detects the disk and shows the title. Click Install and choose a target drive. Use an SSD for faster load times, and monitor the download of required updates or apps. Make sure the Xbox app completes license verification, which confirms your account is allowed to play. If it stalls, sign out and back in. Once installation finishes, the game will appear ready to launch. Now launch the game from the Xbox app. You should configure graphics settings and controller bindings before jumping in so performance matches expectations. Make sure GPU drivers are current and Windows Game Mode is enabled to prioritize resources. If the game fails to launch, first confirm you're signed into the same Microsoft/Xbox account, then restart the Xbox app. If that doesn't work, reinstall the Xbox app or run the Windows Store and Apps Troubleshooter. This usually fixes authentication or cache issues. If not, try a different optical drive.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.